Oh, yeah, Fred. Oh, yeah, you almost got it.
He's eating the box. He's so excited. Oh, you good boy.
It's opening his Christmas.
Oh, yeah. Look at you, Fred. Look at you. Will you go get me scissors?
No, he's gonna get that.
Come
Get
on.
it, Fred.
Get it, Fred. Get it. Get it.
Dog can't open Christmas presents. Oh!
Oh, you're almost in, Fred.
He's in,
Get
but
it,
he
Fred.
can't
Get it.
There,
Oh, look at him. What a nut job.
Get it, Fred.
What's in there? What'd you get?
Come on.
Oh, get it, Fred. Good boy. He's got both hands up there.
Oh, he...
He got it!
What'd you get there, Fred?
Come on, Fred. Get it. You can get it now. Come on. What are you doing? He's searching for food.
He thinks it's a snack
Oh,
from
he got
last
his
year.
Get it, Fred. Get it. Come on, grab it. Just... Oh, no, you just want to keep opening the rest of it?
He throws it out of his mouth. Watch. He throws the box out of his mouth.
Good boy!
You're in, Fred. You're in.
Just like,
Look. He just takes a bite of the box and throws